All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at all the energies down there. Oh no.
Yeah, he needs to pick him up.
Bulba.
I have 3 down here over here.
Dang, this thing.
This
This booster be.
No way.
Oh yeah, dude. That's a nice one in the sun for sure.
There you go. Good old standard hollow Alakazam.
Dad, this might be impossible for me. I think we need to grab the scissors because now there's only one.
Are these ours,
Yeah. But
Because.
I'm changing it up.
you got that one right here?
Oh,
That one?
oh, nice!
Oh, nice.
Put it in here.
I need to sleeve it right
Just
now.
leave it.
And you're going way too quick. Let's go.
The bear's in the way.
It's gonna sting you.
What do you mean? He's not angry yet.
Uh-oh.
What do we get? Ooh, the Spearow!
Spearows. They're all just like some bird chilling. Leave them there. Leave them there.
Oh, this one's heavy too. I wonder how much luck I have because I got Ellie. All these full arts.
Dude.
What?
This the one we pulled? I think it's one we pulled in the shop.
I want to
No,
get that. I want to get that so bad because it's my favorite
Right
color.
this way.
Oh yeah.
I want to get that one so bad because it's my favorite color.
Latios reverse is nice.
Hell yeah.
No way. No way. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Actual.
You're just getting all the good ones over there.
I don't know why. That's why.
I'm over here just opening packs.
That's why my
Dud
YouTube,
City over here.
That's why my
But
YouTube channel is
oh, no.
faster.
I do it off camera. I just pull all the heat. Don't worry.
He pulls.
Fuck.
Last night he pulled a Latios.
And, oh my gosh.
Nice, dude.
That's good. I really like the full arts more.
Hogstone. Mm.
Nothing.
Ooh, the Snover.
Oh, that's cool.
A little snowy time. It's alright.
Now we're going all of the full
Now the heat's coming.
Nice.
That
That
was